Alright folks, ever wondered how to give a row its own personal ID in Power BI? Unfortunately, there's no magical identity column button, but don't worry, we have tricks up our sleeves. We can use Power Query or DAX to generate unique values. It's all about ensuring each row gets its own VIP pass. Stick around and I'll show you how. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Let's kick things off. Identity columns are like seat numbers at a concert, ensuring each data row has its own designated spot. Since Power BI doesn't generate them automatically, we must roll up our sleeves and create them manually. Don't worry, it's not rocket science. We'll explore a few easy ways to get it done. Imagine a world where every seat in a stadium is numbered but randomly assigned. Chaos, right? That's why identity columns matter. They give structure, accuracy, and easy retrieval, ensuring our data doesn't get lost in the crowd. Think of them as the backstage passes of Power BI. Let's get practical. Power Query makes index columns a breeze. Just a few clicks and boom, your data has order. Want to start from 0 or maybe 100? No problem. Think of it like setting a countdown timer, except it counts up instead. Identity columns should be unique, right? But surprises happen. Sometimes manual inserts cause duplicates, which can mess up the database. Adding constraints helps maintain integrity and avoid unwanted hiccups. And be cautious when resetting identity values. It might seem like a quick fix, but could lead to unintended consequences. Think of it like rewinding a movie. Some scenes just don't play out the same way. GUID are like digital fingerprints, totally unique. They shine when working across distributed systems, ensuring no ID clashes. But there's a trade-off. They take up more space than simple integers. Plus, indexing can slow things down. So while GUID give unbeatable uniqueness, they're not always the speediest choice. It's a balance between global uniqueness and performance. Choose wisely. Identity columns make inserting data a breeze, fast and efficient. But over time, fragmentation sneaks in, slowing things down. Good indexing is the key to keeping performance steady. And while large identity values help scale, they eat up storage. Imagine stuffing a suitcase. More data means more space, but too much can make finding things harder. Identity columns are the backbone of many databases, making primary key generation effortless. They pair wonderfully with relational databases, but don't get too comfortable. Relying solely on identity columns for uniqueness can lead to trouble. Exploring alternate keys adds another layer of data integrity. Think of it as having a backup parachute. You never know when you'll need it. Mistakes with identity columns. Oh, they happen. Skipping constraints is like leaving the front door open for data errors. Careless resets. They can throw everything off balance. Over-relying on identity for uniqueness, bad idea. And don't forget performance. Neglecting it can lead to a sluggish system. Avoid these pitfalls and your database will thank you. Identity columns power the digital world. E-commerce tracks orders. Financial systems manage transactions, healthcare ensures patient records are secure, and social media ID keep our profiles distinct. It's everywhere, kind of like a VIP pass that guarantees smooth access. Without it, chaos would reign. Identity columns are like reliable assistants. They keep databases structured and efficient. But remember, every choice has trade-offs. Performance, uniqueness, and scalability must be carefully considered. Avoid the pitfalls, plan wisely, and your database will run like a well-oiled machine. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.